Introduction to Maps Part 2. Today we will see the map of a park and try to understand the importance of maps to reach a place. Children, we are at an amusement park for a picnic. There are a lot of rides and food corners in the amusement park. You will enjoy a lot here. But initially, we will learn how to read maps. Your tickets are with me.
Let us go for the rides.
We will definitely go, but first let us all understand the map of this park. Take out your own maps. Vandana, tell me, what do you see in this map?
Madam, there are many roads made here and some images on which numbers are written. And madam, there are some numbers written at the bottom of the map along with some names. In my opinion, these names belong to the image made on the map.
You got it right, Neha. For example, food court is written next to number 11, which means that the image represents a food court.
So are all the remaining ones right? That means there are a lot of rides in this park. Come on, let's hurry up, else we may not be able to see everything. I want to ride. Find me first. It is ad number 3 according to the map.
Here is an important announcement for a 5-year-old child. His name is Arun. He is wearing a red t-shirt and black pants. You can take Arun from the amusement park's office, which is shown by number 11 on the map.
Oh, Arun and his parents must be really worried. Teacher, I want to take the helicopter smash ride. It is at number 10 on the map.
I want to go for go-karting first.
Okay, let's do it this way. First we will do go-karting and then we will go for helicopter smash. And finally we will go for find me.
Neha, why do we need to go together? Whoever wants to take their favorite ride first can go for it. We can do it separately.
But madam, what if we get lost like Arun?
I think Arun did not know how to read the map or he did not read it properly. That is why he got lost. If all of us read this map correctly, then there will be no problem.
Okay, madam, we will follow the directions given on the map.
Now you can enjoy your favorite rides and I will enjoy my favorite ride. And then we all will meet at the food court at 1 o'clock.
Okay, madam. Madam, I enjoyed a lot. Yes, we should visit this place at least once a month.
Great that you enjoyed. But how did you come together?
Yes, madam. We went separately but met each other at the amphitheater. When we were leaving the amphitheater, it was almost 1 o'clock, so we came straight to the food court.
So what all did you see?
We were at the main gate, which was shown as number 1 on the map. From there, I took a left turn and saw Magic Man at number 14. But there was a huge crowd, so I could not enter. Then I took a right turn. At number 13, there was a ride called Laughter on Wheels. I took that ride. There was a train and also a joker on that ride. I enjoyed that a lot. There was a jumping jack very close to it. I saw that a lot of kids were jumping on it. I took the other way to come out from Laughter on Wheels. There was helicopter smash at number 10. It was a very scary ride. After coming out from the helicopter smash, I took a left turn and reached the amphitheater. There I met Vandana. We watched a movie together and then came back here. Now I will tell. I took right from main gate, that is number 1. Then very first I saw Fly Night at number 2. But I did not find it interesting, so I did not go inside. Then I took a left turn and saw Find Me Puzzle at number 3. I went inside and there were too many people. It was fun to come out from there, but it took a lot of time. After I came out from there, I took a right turn. There was a small pond with ducks. I spent some time looking at the ducks and relaxing. As I went around the pond, I saw the amphitheater. Just I started to walk towards it, I heard Neha's voice. We decided to watch a film there. You know the rest of the story.
Oh, great! You both have enjoyed a lot. Just think how difficult it would have been if there was no map for this amusement park. It is possible that we would have been separated from each other and faced a lot of problems.
Yes, madam. From now on, whenever I go to visit some place, I will carry a map of that place. Every place does not have a map.
Every place does not have a map, but bigger places like shopping malls, fairs, etc. will have a map. And there are maps of cities, states, countries, and the world.
Madam, let us quickly eat something and explore the rest of the park. There are so many more rides to see.
So, children, today we have seen how to read maps. And we have also seen how different places or objects are represented on the map.